In this video, I will show you how to remove the background from a photo for free. First, open your browser and search for Photo Room. Click on Background Remover. Click on Start from a Photo. Select the image from which you want to remove the background. Click Open. Wait for the background to be removed. It will take some time. Check the before and after. If you are satisfied with the result, click on Download. Select Standard Resolution. Open your download folder. Double-click on the photo to view it. As you can see, the background is totally gone. In this way, you can remove the background from any image you want.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.